Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the language on your Google Chrome web browser. So for that, what you need to do is you just need to open your Google Chrome browser and then click on these three dots at the right hand top side. So just click on these three dots here and then click on settings option. So this settings option is the third option from the bottom. So the last is exit, second last is help, and the third is the setting if you don't know which language you are working in. So let's say you accidentally change the language of your browser, then you can know that this is the third from the last option from the bottom, right? So once this settings option opens, what you need to do is you need to go down. So just scroll down and then you will see this advanced section here. So you will be able to know this section by just seeing this small arrow icon on its side. So if you don't know the language, at least you can see if this icon is there on the side of this text. So just click on this advanced section, and then the first option under advanced section is for the language. You can see right now English is selected as the language for my Google Chrome browser. You can also identify this by just seeing the location of the downloads. So you can see username and download. If you see this kind of path, then the section above is the section for the language. So here I am going to just click on the language here, and right now I have this English United States and English in my Google Chrome browser. In order to add a new language, you can just click on add language and then search for the language which you want. So let's say I'm going to choose from here the German language and then click on add, which is going to add this language. And now let's say I want to enable this language, so I'm going to just click on this icon. So you can see in front of the language I have these three dots, and I can just click on display Chrome in this language and offer to translate page in this language. So to change the language, just click on display Google Chrome in this language, and then you will be able to see this relaunch button here. So I'm going to just click on the relaunch button, and once your Google Chrome relaunches, you will see that all the options you can see now this language is changed on my browser. You also can see this is also changed for the German language, and when you go to the settings, all the options are available in the German language, right? So this is how you can change the language on your Google Chrome web browser. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.